Alright guys, so this goes with the laundry video. I'm making a paper towel wet. I'm going to show you what we've been dealing with our house. The last owners didn't clean or do really anything, so I'm just going to pick a spot in the laundry room on the wall and just simply wipe it. And look at that, just from that little area. I'll wipe it with the dry side now. So I am wiping down all the walls and the ceiling to get ready for paint, because yeah. So this house has probably been counting its blessings since we got here, because we've been giving it the attention it truly needed. I don't know why people let places go. I mean, if you own a home, I mean, why not take care of it? It just doesn't make sense to me. I mean, anyway. Alright, so begins the prep work. Of redoing this whole laundry room. Coat on so far. Haven't done any of the edges. Alright, so I did my most favorite part of the job, which is taping everything down. Just kidding, I hate taping. So, got everything taped. Now I need to put on the first coat around the trim and the second coat around the center. Did one coat on the ceiling. Oh, never mind, gotta tape around the fan. Then I'll be done. Okay guys, so I got some of the trim. First coat on the trim, first coat on the walls, second coat on the ceiling. So that looks pretty nice. I don't think I'm gonna need a third coat for the ceiling. So now I'm working on putting the second coat on the walls. Then I'll put the second coat on the trim and see how it looks from there. So here's the difference between one coat and two coat. So two coats, one coat. Alright guys, so second coat is now put on the ceiling and the wall. It's still wet, so it's drying. I still need to do a second coat in the corners with a brush. But I believe it turned out really nice. I mean, as nice as an unprofessional can do. Painting's not my most favorite thing to do, but when there's a lot of runs and stuff from the last owners, like here and stuff, I tried sanding it down, and just a lot of imperfections, as you can see from the previous, well, I don't know, not the last owners, but whoever painted this wall. Looks like I need to touch up in here some more. But overall, I mean, turned out pretty good. Finally, pretty much completed. Just a few touch-ups in the corner and a couple spots, but pretty much done. We got, we're getting a whole new setup done here, so plumber's coming out in a couple weeks. So cutting a nice big hole there and pushing everything inside. So, and this floor needs cleaned up. Just more projects. Alright guys, so the laundry room is done as far as paint goes, and I think it turned out really good. So if you ever want to use this color paint, this is called Wedding Cake. That's the color white. I need to go check every single corner for the 90th time just to make sure I got everything, but I believe, oh, sorry, I hit the zoom button for some stupid reason. So I need to just do that one last time, but I believe everything is good. Thank you for watching another one of my projects. Hey guys, so project update on our laundry room. So I guess I can actually add this with the laundry room video. So, had the plumber out because, like everything else, things weren't done correct. So we had the plumber out and everything newly installed. So now we are going to replace this beautiful, wonderful fire hazard dryer vent that the last owners had, which if you look in here, it is nasty. So I'm going to clean that out, take this hose off. My father-in-law is going to put on another hose for me. He has extra, which is awesome. I need to vacuum and clean this up since it got dirty from the plumber guy. So yeah, this room is coming together, and finally we can do our own wash in our own house. I mean, look at this thing, guys. This is just disgusting. And listen, there's a bunch of loose stuff inside. Alright, it's time to